Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to remove unwanted apps from an Android phone. So find the app you want to remove, then tap and hold its icon. A menu should appear with an option that says Uninstall. Tap on that option. If the app you selected doesn't offer an install option, don't worry. Tap and hold the app icon once more. Then, choose App Info from the menu that appears. This will take you to the app settings screen. In the app settings, scroll down until you see the Force Stop option. Tap on it if you want to disable the app. And that's it. Now you know how to remove unwanted apps from an Android phone. Quick, simple, and perfect for freeing up space and keeping your device clutter-free. Whether you are cleaning up unused apps or disabling pre-installed ones, this method helps you take control of your phone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips that make your phone work smarter. Got questions or other phone tricks you want to learn? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.